So today, I just thought I'd do something a little bit different than what I normally do, take a break from the role plays and stuff. Some people might enjoy this. I know quite a bit of people will. So, I'm just gonna get on to it. Gonna be doing some gun ASMR. Leave in the comments if you know what gun this is. I'm not going to say what gun it is. I want to see how many gun guys there are out there. So if you know what gun this is, leave in a comment, and I'll let you know if you got it right or not. Because a lot of people they don't know what this gun is, but the people who do know what it is, you know what you're talking about. So we can do some tapping. Kind of. So just the gun itself. You know. I've had this gun for a long time. When I was younger, I wasn't strong enough to rack the mags out. So my dad helped me out with that, and he welded this thing right here to make the mag release bigger. You got your safety, and you got your I got one iron sights up here, just in case my sight breaks. You can see it's a ACOG, or like a cheap knockoff at least. It works. I got a laser pointer. I don't know, it's a flashlight. I haven't tested the laser pointer with the front sights on it yet, so I don't know if it's if the laser can get past the laser pointer. The batteries for this thing are dead, I think. Yeah, they're dead. These are Magpul flip-ups. I got a barrel stabilizer up here. What else? I got an Archangel Spartan stock on this. No looking up any of these attachments. That's cheating. And to give it a little bit of personality, I put a little bit of mustache on here. Because I'm weird. You've seen this in a couple of role plays. And just to put some people to think I don't know anything about gun safety. None of the magazines have been loaded. I've always been on my property, and I've never pointed a weapon at any living thing other than a couple of hogs. Because where I live, there are hogs everywhere. Hogs are running around here. And in the state of Texas, it is legal to hunt hogs without a license, especially if they're on your property. Oh my god. I don't know what sling this is from, but you got a collapsible stock raisable cheek rests. I have no idea what this thing does right here. Laser pointer is capable for night vision as well. Interesting fact, this gun was a hand-me-down. I got it when I was like 10. I know in the first gun video I did, I said I got it for my 18th birthday. That's when it legally became mine. But I've had this gun for like since was 10 years old, maybe 8. But I've had this gun for a long time. When I first got it, these rockin' mags were the death of me. Like, I could not. I would rock it in, you know. I was like a normal kid, you know. I would put it in like that. And when I got to shoot, come right out. Where I would rack the bolt forward, and the magazine would just pop out. On very common occasions, I would rock it in, slide the bolt forward, bolt would go forward, I'd shoot, and the mag would just pop. Pop out. Pop right out. But now, if I'm shooting a gun that doesn't have a rock in, I will instinctively go to rock it in. And if it's like an M4 or something, I'm just like, bro. I got the stock without Picatinis or Keymod or M-Lock rails on it because I don't really care for grips. So I had my dad do some stippling here for better grip, so my hands become sweaty, they don't slide on the gun. It's not up here, I didn't want it up here. Even if you're wearing gloves, it acts as the same thing. You can grip and it goes the same with the handle. So when you're, you know, shooting or aiming or practicing, it doesn't, you know, it increases, if I'm going by layman's terms, it increases your control and your stability of the weapon. Keeps it more common. You can also, you know, C-clamp, which I don't prefer to do. I prefer the regular standard. Or if you're really tactical and, you know, for recoil you can shoot this, which is how I shoot from the bench. I shoot this from the bench. You know. But yeah. I need to move the laser pointer back a little bit. I also need to get some offset irons, offset mounts, so I can put the iron sights on here. Get a little bit of that tactical action going. I just got your standard bird cage flashlighter. I wouldn't mind having a compensator. I don't know if you can see it or not, but on this bolt right here, it says yes. It says it on the other side as well. It says yes. But yeah, this gun is my love. It's been in, I did a gun video way back, and I said the name of the gun. If you can guess what it is without watching that video, you know, I don't really have anything to go by. If you get it right, I'll take that. I'll tell you what, the first person to correctly guess the name of this weapon, I will do my best to make a video. You know, you suggest a video and I'll make it. I'll try. If it's anime, no promises, I don't watch anime. But if you can guess the name of it correctly, the first person to name it correctly, I'll do a video for you. Just tell me what you would want. Like, tell me what genre it's based off of, a game or movie. If If it's a movie, I'll watch the movie. I'll try to find the movie. Try not to have it be a series, because if it's a series, it might take me a little bit before I can make it. Because if it's based off of something, like my Halo roleplays, I've been a fan of that series since 2008, since I got my hand on the first Xbox 360 and played Halo 3. Insta fan. But if it's a roleplay, like just like an apocalypse or a military thing, I can do that no problem. Tell me the name of the character, you, the viewer, and the character I would be, and I'll make it. Let's see what else can we. Nope. Stupid rocket mags, they can't go in. If I was a regular ASMR artist and I actually had, mics, that would have been really loud. But I'm poor and I'm filming on a phone. So, yeah. Let me get a little bit closer so you can hear this. Ooh. That may have been a little bit too loud. For those of you caring, I started filming the last episode of the department roleplay, but the thing I used to film outside, it was an old pool ladder and a big box to put it between the phone, between the steps, got filled with trash and thrown away. So now I have to find something of equal height to prop the phone up on the ladder. And it's going to be the last episode, and the last episode that is going to tie in with Zombie Doctor roleplay. If you saw the last episode, you saw the symbol that the FBI agent picked up. Yeah. And taking this weapon apart is to clean it is pretty easy. You just pop this out, and clean around the bolt. I should actually probably take the bolt, this part right here, completely off and clean that too. I've done it a couple times. I needed to take this thing out to the range, zero this sight, because it's zeroed for like 20 yards or something. Yeah, I have a I don't have a handgun, but I have a handgun. I did a video on that too. And there was actually, on my arms dealer roleplay, I slipped that in there to see if anyone would catch, to see if it was a real gun. And someone actually did, and I was honestly surprised that he caught that was a real weapon. He has some good eyes. If he's watching, I wonder if you can guess what this is. But yeah, I do have a kit that I wear maybe if you guys want to see that, I can go over and explain everything on my kit, where I got it, why I have it the way I have it. You know, just something fun to do. I think Cap Bailey did something similar, I think. But yeah, if you guys, you know, like this video, and if you want to see more like this, just let me know. I have no problems filming videos that people ask for. I quite enjoy it. It allows me to grow as a creator and, you know, branch out into what I create, the content on this channel. So a lot of people can come and enjoy and get some tingles from it and fall asleep. I'm thinking of doing another cranial nerve exam. I don't like doing those because there's so many out there. Maybe another librarian one. You know. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you didn't, maybe I have something else for y'all to enjoy. But until next time, stay safe out there. Remember, weapons are tools, not toys, and they should be treated as such. Take care of your weapon, it'll take care of you. Make sure your weapon is never loaded until you're ready to fire. I haven't had some accidents with that, but some people I know have, and yeah, so stay safe out there, and I hope you guys found this video relaxing, and if not, and you just wanted to watch it to try and guess what gun it is, that's cool too. But yeah, stay safe and carry on. Till next time.